Hi, I'm Ajay, and I created a virtual reality lightsaber game using Google Cardboard. I was inspired by Lightsaber with Google, which came out a few weeks ago. It allowed users to turn their smartphone into a wireless controller for an on-screen lightsaber. I took the concept further and integrated it with Google Cardboard. Here's how it works. These are two iPhones running Safari, but you can use Google Chrome as well. I'll use this phone as the viewer to put inside of Google Cardboard, and this phone as the controller to use as the lightsaber. Pull up the website on the device you want to use as a viewer, and you'll see a short link. Input this short link into the browser of your controller. This pairs up the two devices, and you should see a green button on your viewer device. In order to start the game, turn the device over and press the green button. This will load up the game. Simply insert it into Google Cardboard to start the experience. Inside of Cardboard, you will see a stereoscopic rendering of the scene. When you move your head in a different direction, you can look around the scene. Cardboard tricks your eyes into thinking that this is one three-dimensional image, similar to a 3D movie. The idea of this project is to take advantage of the second smartphone and use it as a controller for the first one. That way, when you're inside Google Cardboard, you can see an illusion of controlling a real lightsaber. Since it's difficult to record the video of the device inside Google Cardboard, I'll be using my computer monitor running Google Chrome. This is the device we hooked up to it as the lightsaber. As you move it around, the gyroscope movements are replicated in the browser using WebSockets. You can do this to deflect the red balls that come at you. The device even plays a sound if you enable it. I'm viewing my 3D scene using Google Cardboard. I can look all around me and use a smartphone to wirelessly control the on-screen lightsaber. The on-screen lightsaber mimics the movements of my smartphone. By using a second device to interact with the 3D world, I can create a fairly immersive VR experience. The great thing about this is that all you need to use are two smartphones running WebKit-enabled browsers, which are usually Safari or Chrome. To take the immersion a step further, I'll be using a toy lightsaber, some Velcro straps, and the smartphone that we hooked up as the lightsaber. All I need to do is attach the smartphone to the hilt so that I can hold it. Now that the smartphone is attached, we can use it in the game. Now the experience is complete. I can see the lightsaber in virtual reality and control it using a real toy lightsaber. The smartphone performs exactly the same way because it's held up in the same orientation. I have more control and it feels more realistic. As a final test, I wanted to try using Chromecast with this program. This did work on Chromecast, but the network latency made it unplayable. If you'd like to try this out yourself, follow the link in the description. Open it on one of your devices, and you'll find instructions on how to pair the second one. I am using a free hosting service, so expect some latency. For the best experience, follow the instructions on GitHub and get it up and running on your local machine. Using the latest web technologies, such as device orientation and WebGL, you can get an immersive virtual reality experience using hardware and software that we already have. Thank you for watching.